Writing. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the 1970 United States quarter dollar, also known as the Washington Quarter. The D mint mark indicates that this coin was struck at the Denver Mint. This coin is an important part of American numismatic history and remains a favorite among collectors. The 1970 quarter dollar has a face value of 25 cents. It is an official circulating coin of the United States. The obverse features a portrait of George Washington. George Washington was the first president of the United States. The portrait was originally designed by sculptor John Flanagan. The year 1970 appears on the obverse of the coin. The D mint mark is located on the obverse, identifying the Denver Mint. The reverse features a heraldic eagle with outstretched wings. The eagle represents strength, freedom, and the spirit of the United States. The inscriptions include United States of America, quarter dollar, and E pluribus unum. The coin is composed of a copper core bonded to outer layers of copper nickel. It weighs approximately 5.67 grams. The coin has a diameter of approximately 24.26 millimeters. Its edge is reeded. Millions of 1970 D quarters were struck for circulation. Most circulated examples remain common and affordable. Collectors often search for coins with original mint luster and sharp details. Brilliant, uncirculated examples are generally more desirable than heavily worn coins. Professional grading services evaluate collectible coins using recognized grading standards. Some collectors search for genuine mint errors and die varieties. Proper storage helps preserve the coin's original appearance. Protective holders and coin albums help prevent scratches and environmental damage. Experts generally recommend avoiding cleaning collectible coins. Cleaning may reduce a coin's collector appeal and numismatic value. The Washington Quarter Series is one of the longest-running coin series in the United States. Many collectors enjoy building complete collections by date and mint mark. The 1970 D issue represents the early years of the copper-nickel-clad Washington Quarter. Whether found in circulation or preserved in a collection, the 1970 D quarter continues to attract collectors. Studying this coin helps people learn about American history, art, and currency. Its combination of classic design, durability, and historical significance makes it a memorable collectible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the 1970 D United States quarter dollar, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell for more videos about American coins, world currency, rare collectibles, and fascinating numismatic history. Here are 2 more paragraphs you can add. Writing. The 1970 D United States quarter dollar is appreciated by collectors for its connection to the early copper-nickel clad era of American coinage. It's classic. Here are 39 more paragraphs to continue your 1970 D United States quarter dollar YouTube description. Writing. The 1970 D quarter dollar is an important part of modern American coinage. It was produced at the Denver Mint for everyday circulation. The D mint mark identifies the coin's place of manufacture. Millions of these quarters entered circulation across the United States. The Washington Quarter Series has been collected for generations. George Washington's portrait remains one of the most recognizable images on American coins. The obverse design honors the nation's first president. The heraldic eagle on the reverse symbolizes strength and freedom. The classic reverse design remained in use for many decades. The copper-nickel-clad composition provides excellent durability. The coin's reeded edge is a familiar feature of the quarter dollar. Collectors often search for examples with bright original mint luster. Brilliant uncirculated examples are especially popular. Professional grading services evaluate coins according to established standards. Higher grade examples generally attract greater collector interest. Some collectors search for genuine mint errors and die varieties. Authentic error coins are much scarcer than standard circulation coins. Proper storage helps preserve a coin's original surfaces. Protective holders and coin albums are excellent for long-term preservation. Handling collectible coins only by their edges helps prevent fingerprints. Cleaning collectible coins is generally discouraged because it may reduce their numismatic value. Many hobbyists build complete Washington quarter collections by date and mint mark. The 1970D issue is an important addition to these collections. American coins are admired around the world for their craftsmanship. The quarter dollar has played a major role in everyday commerce. Studying coins helps people understand American history and culture. Every coin tells a story about the period in which it was produced. The United States Mint has a long tradition of producing quality coinage. Collectors appreciate the timeless design of the Washington quarter. Well-preserved examples remain attractive additions to any collection. This coin is an excellent choice for beginning collectors. Experienced collectors also value high-grade specimens. The 1970D quarter represents an important era in United States coinage. Its historical significance extends beyond its face value. The classic combination of George Washington and the heraldic eagle continues to inspire collectors. The coin remains a lasting symbol of American numismatic heritage. Many collectors enjoy comparing the 1970D issue with quarters from other years and mints. Thank you for watching, and we hope you continue joining us for more videos about American coins, world currency, rare collectibles, and fascinating numismatic discoveries. Your support inspires us to continue creating educational and engaging content for